Hello traders, in today's video I will walk you through on how to add indicator to your chart using Android phone or any kind of mobile phone. Let's dive into the video right now. First of all, we go to our chart, you click here, you see our chart how it looks like. Let me remove all this drawing tool. Delete. Yeah, our chart will look like this, clean. If you want to add indicator to your chart, you click here, click this F icon right here. If you click on it, you click this plus button, you click on it, you will see series of indicator. We have trend indicator, oscillators, volume, B. Williams. Let's start from trend indicator. Let's add the first one. First one is average directional movement index. Let's click on it. Click on it. It's on default. We will not change anything. Just click done here. Click done. You come back to your chart. You see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Look at it here. If you want to delete it, you click here. You go to here. You click this F icon as usual. You come to here. You click here, delete. You click on that average directional movement index and click delete again. Click this one right here. Click this one, it will disappear. Delete. Look at it. It's no more here. Then you go back to the indicator as usual. You click here. You click this one as usual. Click this one. Let's make use of Bollinger Bands. This one, you click on it. We use default. We will not change anything. You click done. Click done. Oh shit, my battery is going down. So we click done. Go back to our chart. This is how it looks like. Look at it. This is how it looks like. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is how it looks like. This is exactly how this Bollinger Band looks like. If you want to delete it, we do the same thing. You go here. You click on it. You click this delete here. You click on the indicator. You click delete. It will disappear. Now we go back again. You can tap your screen and still see the same indicator icon. You see it here. We click on it. It will appear as usual. We enter here. Let's go to moving average right now. We click moving average. 50 period moving average. Let's click down. We click down. Come back to our chart. This is how it looks like. This is it. 50 period moving average. 50 period moving average. Let's go back and remove this one and add another indicator. We click here. We delete it as usual. We go back to indicator. We click add button. We are using this one right now. Let's use this one, Boo Power. We click on Beer Power. Let's use Beer Power. This is Beer Power. Click done. Click done. 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 Go back to chart. This is how it looks like. This is Beer Power. Let's add Boo Power to it. This is it. This is it here. You go to this, not indicator window this time. You go to this one, main chart. Click on it. You click on this one, Beer Power. We have used Beer Power. We use Boo Power this time. we use bull power. We click on it. We go to here. This is bull power. We click here. We click done. We go back to our chart. This is how it looks like. This one is bear power. This one is bull power. Let's remove it. The process, you go to here. We click delete button. Look at delete button here. We click it. We tap 1, we tap 2, we click delete again, it will disappear. We go back to our chart, go back to this indicator, this one, or you click here again. You can use this one. We go, we come down, want to use volumes this time. We click on accumulation and distribution. We click on it. We use default setting. We click done. Look at it. We go back to our chart. This is how it looks like. Let's go back and delete it as usual and add another one. We click here. We come here. We click this one. Delete. We delete it. We go back to add another indicator. We click here. We click add this plus here. We click it. We come back. We want to add this one right now. Bill Williams. Let's add alligator. Let's add this one. We click it. We'll not change anything. We'll not change anything here. Just click done. We click done. We go back to our chart. This is how it looks like. This is alligator. This is how it looks like. This is exactly how alligator looks like. So I don't want this video to be too long. This is how to add indicator to your MetaTrader 4 using your mobile device. On next video that we do, I'll walk you through on how to make use of these indicators to enter the market. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.